Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin entering a bullish territory. That's right, things looking good for Doge. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. Here we have the charts, and Dogecoin is at 9.2 cents. Just holding strong, not going crazy yet, but there's good things to come. Of course, all eyes are on Solana, moving up over $90. And then we'll also talk about Algorand making a good move today, up over 21 cents. Those are all good moves. Overall, I mean, look at what is happening with altcoins. This is an interesting chart. This is all cryptos except Bitcoin. And we see back in 2021, yes, mid-2021, this is when Doge was getting shorted down, Bitcoin also getting shorted after Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin payments for cars, and altcoins came down and they hit a support level. That support level was just around $700 billion. And then they moved up while Bitcoin was hitting its all-time high in November. Doge wasn't quite as good as other altcoins, but the altcoins were generally following Bitcoin up. And then we entered bear market territory all through 2022, and we hit bottoms. We hit bottoms sort of in June of 2022. That's when Doge hit 4.9 cents, if you remember, and that was the bottom for Doge for the whole bear market. But the rest of the altcoins actually waited until November, December after the FTX crash to hit all-time bottom there for this bear cycle. But what did we see? We saw three runs of altcoins. We saw one in 2022 in the middle of the bear market. There was a little run on altcoins coming up to that $700 billion mark. A second one early in 2023 up until April, and then that was rejected. And then most recently, this run up from mid-October till now hit that resistance level, was rejected, and now has blown past it. What is the next move for altcoins? They will most likely double in price. That's right, all altcoins doubling in price. This is on an average of all altcoins. Moving up because there's nothing stopping it now. There's nothing stopping it. Very, very interesting chart here. So we look at the bubbles and we've got, look, this a lot of movement. The big Solana, we just talked about Algorand or two moving. Here's Doge just kind of hanging out here. Very small little bubble biding its time. As Dogecoin enters bullish territory, key indicators reveal its true potential. What is happening with Dogecoin? Well, in October, we had the buzz around Elon Musk's X Twitter potentially embracing Dogecoin for payments. That is what elevated Dogecoin from that 6 to 7 cent mark where it was up into the 9s where we are now. Dogecoin briefly eclipsed over 10 cents, but then came back down. As we've been talking the past couple weeks, a lot of crypto investors have been pulling money out of Dogecoin. Some of you as well. I know, what are you doing? But you're going and chasing the bonks and the snacks and all those. And I get that. Those meme tokens, you can make some quick money on, but be careful with them. Again, like I was saying with Bonk, I don't think Bonk is going to be making another big run. I think it's too big of a market cap now for what it is. And it's probably going to start slowly dying out. So be careful with that, as well as some others. Yes, you can make some good money, but there's always a risk with those. So be careful. But with Doge, again, Dogecoin is still just kind of hanging out and waiting for big catalysts. And we do have two of them coming, one in January, one in February. The two moon missions, both with Dogecoin. It's going to be exciting. That's just the beginning of 2024 and what we see going forward with the bullish indicators. If it maintains above crucial 9-cent level, breaks through resistance at 10.38, I've been holding 10.4, that's my line. We've got recent whale movements, significant transfers to Robinhood and Coinbase. might be signaling a growing interest among large investors. If these movements translate into buying pressure, Dogecoin could potentially test second resistance level at 11.45, and then an optimistic outlook further supported indicates Doge not in overbought territory yet, suggesting a bullish trend might be gaining strength. Momentum indicator, although modest, also supports possibility of an uptrend to the most ambitious target short term, 13.22 cents. So that would be great to see. That would be a good February target there for Doge, up into the 13-cent level. So we will be watching that. Dogecoin price prediction flag pattern hints last pullback before hitting 12 cents. That's right. They're seeing this flag pattern on the trading of Doge over the past few weeks, and we could be seeing this as that last pullback just below 9 cents there that we had before rocketing up to those levels we were just talking about. That could be it. We also have this interesting one. A Cardano OG says that XRP is going to be behind Dogecoin in 2024, meaning Dogecoin will eclipse XRP. This is where they are today on CoinMarketCap, XRP number 6 at about a $33 billion market cap. And here's Doge down here at 13. So that means that Doge would almost have to do a 3x here. So that would be up to like 30 cents if XRP just gained a small fraction of a percentage for Doge to eclipse XRP. But they also think Avalanche and Doge are going to be competing for that spot, while Cardano and Solana will be competing. Of course, he's a Cardano OG, and he's thinking Cardano from 21 million is going to be back up here with Solana now number 5 above XRP, and we would see Cardano battling Solana for the 5th largest. And that could happen. This excitement with Solana right now, with Bonk and these others, I mean, that's great for Solana. Solana will still have some selling pressure coming from FTX unlocks that are going to be happening. So still watch out for those. But a lot of things growing internationally with Cardano as well. So we'll be watching that. So here's Chris's tweet here. Cardano fam, 24 bull run on its way. Seeing Sol flip XRP. That's what we just saw. The top 10 is going to look a lot different. In his opinion, Bitcoin, ETH, and then Cardano and Solana, keeping the stable coins out, right? Cardano and Solana will flip each other back and forth. That's what he thinks. Of course, he's a Cardano bull. So then BNB, then AVAX and Doge back and forth with XRP lagging behind. So it looks like a lot of the excitement we had for XRP over the summer seems to be waning. So that's all very, very interesting to watch as well. But watch out for some of these others down here. Again, Chainlink could go on a run. Matic has been very, very quiet, could also go on a run. And we don't know what's going to happen with SHIB. Of course, SHIB can always go crazy as well. So watch out for all of that. But here we are now, Dogecoin, 9.25. Again, a nice move up today. Not as great as some of these others are doing, but overall, we're seeing the altcoins continuing to move up as they have been the last 2 months, and no signs of that letting up. So we know we've got Bitcoin ETFs, most likely approvals coming in January. That's what I've been saying for a number of months now. That's what I think is going to happen with those spot ETFs. Bitcoin's just kind of hanging out there, itself almost being a stable coin. So, which is okay. It's not dropping. So it's hanging out. And now we have altcoins moving up and the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. So this is what's happening with Bitcoin dominance as we are rolling into this altcoin season now. Yes, Bitcoin can still make big moves up, but we're seeing so much interest in so many other of these altcoins, and Dogecoin will be sure to follow. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this bullish territory that The Doge is entering. How are you doing with your Doge? You excited for the end of the year in 2024? Looking forward, let me know. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.